Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 10 taskbar. In case Bluetooth icon is missing in notification area, then to restore it, you need to click on this one start button and then click this one settings. Under Windows settings, click on devices option. In the left sidebar, select Bluetooth and other devices, and then on the extreme right under related settings, click this one more Bluetooth options link. Under Bluetooth settings window, check this one option, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Then click on this one apply button and then click on this one OK button, and it should restore Bluetooth icon in the taskbar in notification area. In case you want to permanently display this one Bluetooth icon in the taskbar, just select this one Bluetooth icon and drag it to the free space on the taskbar. It will permanently sit on the Windows 10 taskbar.